Okay, this is a FOMO. First, Anthropic launched its own MCP. That means Model Context Protocol. Then for the competition, Google launched its own A2A. That means Agent-to-Agent Protocol. So what is A2A and how this will affect the growth of MCP, Model Context Protocol? We will cover everything, and I will also tell you how you can utilize A2A and MCP together in your system to become a AI master. So let's get started. Firstly, what is A2A? A2A just means when you connect different AI agents together. But before that, we need to understand what's the MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, which is introduced by Anthropic. Anthropic launched MCP, and this helps you to connect LLM models with different sets of tools and other servers clients together in a standardized way. So MCP is just like a USB cable by which you connect LLM models with different tools, servers and clients to build a complete AI agent. But on the other hand, A2A helps you to connect different AI agents together to build a complete AI system. This helps you to create a whole AI ecosystem, or to say AI civilization, society, or anything you say. Because as in our society, we talk to each other. We are just like agents. I am an engineer, and someone else is a designer, then someone's role is another, and this is how each role is assigned to each person. Okay. And now, when these role assigned persons communicate to each other to complete a task or complete multiple tasks, this creates a whole society or network that's known as our culture. Okay, so A2A by Google is doing the same thing, where you connect different AI agents together, where AI agents communicate with each other, same as the humans. Yeah, that's really awesome. Let's see what Google says about this. Okay, so I am on the official A2A agent protocol of Google Docs, and now let's see what's the Google saying about it. Okay, so Google is saying that E2A is a new era of agents. That means this offer a unique opportunity to help people being more productive by autonomously having many agents doing a complex task. Okay, so this is simple. When different AI agents work together to do something, then they will be able to do also the complex task. Unlike the single-based AI agents like Manas AI by China, and other agents like Replit AI agent, etc., which can do only one type of task. Here we are focusing on different agents working together to master automation in every sector. So that's special. If we go down and here they are saying that we are launching a new open protocol called agent to agent with the support and contribution from more than 20 with more than 50 technology partners. So what are the technology partners? Technology partners are those companies and organizations who has built their own AI agent, and you can connect their AI agent with your agent to create a whole system. For example, if I go down, so there is a name of PayPal. That means PayPal is also agent of this 8-way. Okay, so if I connect so let me assume that I am building an application where the client or user will command like this. I want to check my bank balance, and if my bank balance is about the value of let's say $10,000, then I want to buy this diamond ring from let's say any other agent. Okay, I wanna buy any watch from Amazon or any other e-commerce platform. Okay, so that's our whole workflow. So when we enter this query, then the AI agent of PayPal will first check your bank balance. And if that's more than $10,000, then this will go to the agent of Amazon, and then both agents will communicate like a human. If we go down, then you can see here how A2A works. As you can see, there are two agents. So first client agent and then a remote agent. Where firstly client agent will ask something like this. The user have more than $10,000 in their budget, and the user wants a diamond ring within the range of this. Okay, then the remote agent, which is our any e-commerce agent like Amazon or any other agent, so it will ask, okay, that's fine, but what is the quality or design the user wants? Then the again client agent will reply something, and the remote agent will again give any command to that, and then this communication goes on till the output comes to you. and this output will be far more better than a standard LLM models or a single AI agent, because here they are communicating with each other with personalized and the subjective matters. That means they are not talking about random things or generic responses like what's the quality, what's the color. No, they communicate. If the user's query is about a diamond ring under the budget, then they will only communicate on the basis of the commands the user has given. They will morely focus on the user preferences than the generic content uploaded on the internet. So that will be personalized plus far more powerful than today's AI agents. If we go down, then we can see how these AI agents can be built and how their capability will be discovered, task managed, collaboration, etc. So what's this capability discovery? Let me tell you how these AI agents work. For example, you build an AI agent that can write a code. And now you go to Google's agent and say that I want you to help me write the code. Then this AI agent will go to my agent and will ask it to write the. But here's a question. You have a multiple agents in your local server. So how this Google agent will know which AI agent can do what? Will there be a system or protocol or any file that can tell the Google's agent which agent can do which type of task, its capabilities and other things? Okay. So for that, this is using a agent card in a JSON format. Here, an agent card will explain everything about the agent, such as what the capability this have and what can it do, what parameters it requires, and other things. So, firstly, Google Agent will focus on each agent's agent card and find out which agent card is more suitable to the user's request. Then it will discover the proper capability required for the user's request, and then it will communicate with that in the essence of a collaboration. Here, the main keyword is collaboration, because they are not just communicating; they are collaborating like just real humans. So the task will be more personalized plus detailed as compared to the real normal AI agents. Okay. And they also do the negotiation based on the user experience. For example, if I want to buy a pizza from let's say Pizza Hut and also a burger from McD, and I want an offer where I can get both under 99 rupees. So I want some negotiated prices for those. So my agent will do this type of negotiations to build up an offer for me and do the negotiation on the behalf of me. So here all of these things are working on the capability discovering and the communication plus the collaboration and negotiation. So that's really awesome. Now I will show you a clip where they have explained how these AI agents work. Okay, so let me play that. So as you can see, in this example, there are two AI agents. Firstly, can scan all of the resumes, and secondly, there is a hiring manager agent. Okay, so it will scan your resume, then will suggest your resume and your personality to the other AI agent, which is our hiring manager agent. Okay, so they will both communicate about your resume, and this AI agent will try you to be selected in the list of hiring manager agent. So they are basically negotiating with each other and also doing the proper communication like a human. They are asking what types of responsibilities the user can handle and what are his skills, and also our agent will answer them negotiately and in a personalized way. These will not be generic as the normal LLM models and AI agents, but instead they will communicate just like humans, and this can help you get a job more easily. Okay, so if we go down, then these are the feedback from our A2A partners, where you can check out what are the benefits of A2A and how the bigger companies are taking A2A for their business. This will help you to understand that how AI agents will require A2A in their future's era, and should you work on this or should ignore this in the future as a trend. Okay, so let's go down in our website and okay, so they have also a GitHub repo where there is a open protocol enabling communication and or the negotiation between agent applications. That's simple, and this is basically a SDK by Google, which can help you to create your own AI agents that can be run and communicating with the A2A protocol. So this will help you to create a agent card plus A2A server, A2A client, task, message, part, artifact, streaming, etc. And if you want a tutorial, a deep tutorial on how you can build your own AI agents using A2A, then comment me below. I will pin your comment if your comment is really good. And I will also create a tutorial for you on how you can create your own AI agent based on. Now, this is your task. Tell me how you will use A2A in your business and how you will integrate MCP and A2A together in your AI application. Are you really excited about this new technology, or do you think this is just a trend and will go down after some time? Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, you can watch how you can build an AI agent from scratch in Python by clicking this video. And if you want to know how you can start your own print-on-demand business to earn some quick money, then you can watch this video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay motivated and keep earning. Bye bye, guys.